All right. All right. All right. So paragraphing. All right. I've heard, that many students have been told that, X amount of sentences make for a paragraph. Like, you know, it has to, like, a paragraph has to have like 5 sentences or 4 sentences or some nonsense like that. And of course, that's not the case. Look, um, a paragraph represents like a coherent unit of thought. Like, you are addressing this one topic, right? And then when you have done that sufficiently, you move on. The only guidance that I would give you on the lengths of your paragraphs is when you're writing an essay, it helps to ensure that your paragraphs are all the same length, right? And then that creates a very smooth reading experience for your audience there. But that's all I would say. Okay, roughly the same size paragraphs in the essay, right? Um, but paragraphs must have these parts, though, right? You got to have the topic sentence there that either states the main idea, or makes the point that the paragraph is aimed at demonstrating. Okay, it's I mean, it's most often the first sentence, but it doesn't have to be. If you are, like, less than 128% confident in your writing and such, I'd maybe focus on just like put that topic sentence out there, uh, you know, in the forefront there of the paragraph, get it over with, right? And then move on to the supporting sentences, right? The sentences that demonstrate the topic sentence. So that provide examples, explanation, elaboration, evidence, right? That's what's going to go there next. Okay. Now, in the final sentence of that paragraph, look, if it's a standalone paragraph, then you're going to just wrap up, like you're going to conclude the paragraph. So maybe restate the topic sentence kind of in light of new evidence, or find some way to end it there. Most of your paragraphs, though, are going to be in the context of like essays. So you have to move from one paragraph to the next, right? So like if you have like you have your introductory paragraph in an essay, then you have your first body paragraph, and then your second. And with that last sentence of the first body paragraph, you want to smoothly transition into what will be talked about in the second body paragraph, and then the same moving into the third body paragraph, and so on until that's done. You don't have to transition into the conclusion or anything, but that transition is very important. It cannot be underestimated how important that is. All right, then. So, paragraphs, again, they are coherent. So the the sentences are all related and tightly focused on that main idea, on that point you're trying to make. Okay, and of course, all the ideas are developed. Okay, we'll move into that in a sec. All right, in the next video. There we are.